I would describe Kloosterboer as family, pioneer and bananas.
If you buy a banana at certain grocery stores in the Netherlands, Belgium, Germany or Scandinavia, then there's a really big chance that it hit our shore here first.
A smaller terminal normally has a little bit more of a niche. Here they have the niche of doing reefer containers. They're brilliant in doing reefer containers, which means that sometimes they can empty out a reefer container and move the box empty back on the same vessel where it came from. There's no single big terminal who can do that. And they're very good in it.
We started 2 years ago with developing this terminal. We came to the conclusion that automation would be key.
The biggest challenge was the amount of automation that we were trying to do in only 18 months' time.
We have a small team, it's a small terminal, so we also need to bring in expertise to make the next step. With Kloosterboer they decided to move that all away because they thought this is not our core business. We should have a Navis doing it and we can focus on our core business, moving containers.
At Navis, we take care of the daily IT technical operations. We do all the maintenance and support work, and really run-of-the-mill typical IT work is done through managed services. So because of Navis 360 Managed Services, Kloosterboer has been able to focus on their strategic projects like Auto RTG as an example, leaving the daily IT operations work to Managed Services to perform. Navis Managed Services together with Kloosterboer have achieved incredible success in terms of both teams really collaborating and growing with each other.
I have to say it's been a great experience the last year. I mean, every time we had to plan or execute an upgrade, or we were facing serious database issues, the managed service team was right there to support us. It's so personal, the contact is really personal. Like I said, you can just pick up the phone and give them a ring and they're just there to help you.
It was really good that we found Navis. With any other terminal operating system, we wouldn't have been able to do what we now did in 18 months.